Permission immediately. And I will tell you how to make mango sparkler mocktail. First of all, take a shaker glass, then you have to pour some ice cream into the shaker glass, then you have to squeeze on fresh lime juice, just squeeze on fresh lime juice, then you have to add 30 ml of mango crush, 25 to 30 ml of mango crush, and 120 ml of mango juice. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Just shake it. Then take your tall glass and pour all the mixing ingredients. Then you can serve with on straw also, and just simply fill the glass with Sprite. This is the mango sparkler mocktail. You can try. This is very fancy mocktail. You can garnish with mango slice or lime slice or orange slice, and just garnish it immediately. See, your mango sparkler mocktail is ready. Very simple mocktail. You can try with mango juice, mango crush, and lime juice and Sprite. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you like this mocktail. This is the refreshment mocktail you can try. Thank you.